My video is about removing the ransomware called Yzaq. This is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I'll show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files and how to possibly recover the files. So before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files easily, but this is what happens after the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this Yzaq extension to the file names, and indeed it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amounts to $980. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. A part of this ransomware, our computer may also be burdened by a lot of hidden malware and ads and things like that. So anyway, scanning with Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and other infections. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the software would begin researching the system, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You will see their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This way you can request trial, and this way your data would always be protected. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. So speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information about ways to possibly recover your data.